In this video, I'll show you how to boost Instagram reach in 2026 using strategies that are actually working right now. So, if your posts are getting low views or not reaching new people, yeah, this guide can help improve your visibility a lot. Instagram reach is basically the number of unique people who see your content. The higher your reach, the more new users discover your account. Right now, Reels are still the best way to reach new audiences. Instagram pushes short-form videos much more aggressively compared to regular photo posts. The first few seconds matter a lot. If viewers stop scrolling and keep watching, Instagram usually pushes the content to more people. One major ranking factor is watch time. So, shorter, faster-paced videos with quick cuts often perform much better. Consistency helps Instagram understand your account activity. Try posting regularly instead of disappearing for long periods. Trending sounds can help your Reels reach more users because Instagram already recognizes those audios as popular. Captions can also increase engagement and reach. Ask simple questions or encourage comments so viewers interact with your post. Use a few targeted hashtags related to your niche. I mean, random hashtags usually don't help much anymore. Instagram stories can help boost extra traffic to your posts and Reels. Yeah, reposting your content to stories can increase visibility. Try avoiding spammy behavior like fake engagement, reposting low-quality videos, or posting inconsistent content. Those things can reduce your reach over time. And that's basically the full guide to boosting Instagram reach in 2026. Keep testing new ideas, stay consistent, and focus on content people genuinely enjoy watching and sharing.